welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. That is, when I flash the display, it turned totally black. This is so because the new firmware from Creality, they block all other updates that are not from Creality. But there is a solution, and I'm going to show you how to solve that. Now, first thing I'm going to do, I go to creality.com, then I click on support and then download in Creality Cloud. Now I click on firmware. Now I select my printer type in the series. Here I choose Ender 3 S1. And here in the list, I'm going to download one of the firmware for the F401. I will download, for example, this one here. I save it on the desktop. Now I unzip the folder. And then I will copy this file, dcboot.bin. I will copy it on the SD card. There it is. Now I will insert the SD card on the display and flash it for the first time. I turn on. The flashing is done. It is done flashing. Now I remove the file from the SD card. I will just move it in this folder here. Now I will copy the folder private and the file firmware.zlib on the SD card. Here they are on the SD card. Now I'm going to insert the SD card again on the screen. Now I will turn on the printer to flash the screen. The update is done. Now I'm going to turn off the printer. I remove the SD card and I turn on to check. There it is. Now my screen is back on. Now I'm going to try to flash another firmware for the LCD. Here it is, my firmware is updated. We're going to check. There it is. Now I have my personalized firmware. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you very much.